Can a patch you put on your belly button actually make you lose weight? Well, I have been testing this out and I'll tell you what I think about it. Plus I'll show you what it is. So you get a whole bunch of them in here. They're individual packets and this is what it looks like when it comes out. So you get that and then you get that. And it's very, I mean, it's kind of bizarre, right? You're like, I'm putting this on my belly button? What? And I kind of wonder, okay, is this a gimmick or is this real? So this is what it looks like. That's where you stick that on. Get the sticky off here. And then this is all sticky as well. So this just kind of like goes, I don't know, I just kind of like go like that, right? So that it's sticking out and then that's gonna go inside your belly button. Very easy to stick on. Because I have high-waisted pants, I can just wear them up and over. So nobody knows you have it on. That's what's really cool. Now, if I had lower rise jeans and maybe a crop shirt, yes, you'd see it. It's very easy to hide this. So I think that's really cool about it. And then the other thing that I think is really neat is that the ingredients are very natural. So I was also like, is this dangerous for me? Is there anything I should know about? So now let's talk about my experience with it. Does it work? I've probably done it 5 to 10 times. And I do find on the days that I wear it, I feel less hungry. Now, is that a placebo effect? I don't know. Is it this working? Possibly. And maybe if I wore it consistently, I would start seeing a major, major difference. But I think it's really interesting and really neat and definitely something you should try.